Golden-headed Quetzals. Golden-headed Quetzals have a wingspan of 30 to 36 centimeters and a length of 33 to 36 centimeters, with tail plumes adding another 8 to 10 centimeters. Juveniles are a brownish-black color, with a few iridescent green feathers on the neck and breast, and lacking the tail corvettes of the adult and the golden feathers. Golden-headed Quetzals are often solitary birds, but during breeding they are seasonally monogamous. The males attract the female by setting up a territory and advertising it by singing. Once a pair is made, they must find a suitable location for their nest and share the work of making it. The golden-headed Quetzal's diet consists mainly of fruit, though it has also been known to eat insects. Golden-headed Quetzals inhabit areas of Central and South America. They are found in eastern Panama as well as in the Andes, spanning from southern Colombia to eastern Peru and northern Bolivia. Please leave a like and subscribe to see more of my videos.